Good day, children. Welcome to today's class. Today we'll begin with a new topic in drawing. Okay, children, tell me, do you all like to play with toys? Yes, I'm sure you all love to play with toys, with different types of toys. And you must be having some favorite toy also, right? You all must be having one favorite toy which you like very much. And a teddy bear must have been a favorite of everyone, I feel so. Yes, you all must have some or the other time you must have played with the teddy bear, right? So today we are going to learn how to make a cute little teddy bear. So let's get started, children. Okay, first you are, as every time, you will draw a margin on your paper. Write the date, write the heading teddy bear, and you will keep your book vertical. Okay, now you are going to draw a little oval shaped for the head. Okay, little oval, not very round also, not a complete not a like an oval also, little like an oval and not like a circle, huh? You have not to draw a circle, little oval. Okay, then after that what will we do? We'll draw its eyes. Okay, after we draw its eyes, you all know how to draw an eye. Oval shape, and then again one more oval shape and color it black inside. Yes, you all know this. Okay, now we'll draw its nose. Nose, a small circle you will draw. Okay, a small circle you will draw. Then we will draw its smiley. Okay, so just a small vertical line from its nose and draw the smile. Okay, now next we'll do its ears. Okay, so two a nice half circle, again a half circle here, inside one more half circle and half circle. So it will be like this: half circle, half circle, half circle, half circle. Okay, it should not be little pointed, huh? It should not be a pointed shape, it should be round shaped here. Okay, so next we will do its arms. Okay, so how will we do? Start from here, curved line, and how we write 6, that way turn it inside. Okay, how we write 6, turn it inside. Okay, same way the other side, turn it inside, curved line and turn it inside. Okay, then you see I have drawn two curved lines here also and here also to complete its arms. Okay, now next we'll draw its legs. So same procedure we will do. Now see, children, if you will observe, this part is less broad and this part is little more broader. Okay, so that way you will draw, and same procedure you will do again. Curved and turn it inside like a 6, curve and turn it inside like a 6 for its legs. Okay, and then you will draw one curved line to complete its body part. Okay, now next we will draw the tie for the teddy bear. Okay, draw a small circle, okay, in the center. Then the upper part of the tie, you'll draw two curved lines like this. Here how I've shown, see, draw a circle and two curved lines this side, two curved lines this side. Okay, can you see? Okay, now next we'll do the lower part of the tie. For that, two slanting lines you'll draw and then one V. Okay, two slanting lines and a V, and the tie is complete. Now we'll do its stomach. So start from the leg part, take a curved, do a curve, stop it till the tie, again start from the other side of the tie and complete it, join the leg. So its stomach is also ready. Now the teddy bear is ready. Let's start coloring. I have colored the nose red. Okay, I've colored the rose red. Okay, now what next? We'll color the tie part. Okay, so see the center, there is one circle, right? I have colored it blue. This upper part of the tie, the two curved lines that I had shown you, there you will color red. Okay, then the lower part of the tie, again red color. Can you see? Okay, now next let us color its ears. I have taken pink color to color its ears, the smaller half circle. Okay, I have colored with pink. Same way I have colored its paws. Paws is the hand part. This part is called as paws for the animals. Okay, so that I have colored pink, and same way I have colored for the legs also. Hand and leg part, this part which is flat on the ground and they walk, okay, which is touching the ground, that part is called as paw. Okay, now I have colored the paws with pink color and the ears half part I have colored with pink color. Now we'll start the remaining part. I have colored the remaining part of the ears yellow. I have taken yellow color and I have colored the remaining part yellow. Can you see? Okay, now next we'll color the face part. Face also I have colored yellow. Now let us color the body part. Can you see the face also full? I have colored yellow. See to it that you don't mix the color, yellow color with the red color, and be careful when you are drawing around the, when you are coloring around the eyes. Okay, now next we'll color the body part. Body part also I have taken yellow. Okay, and I have colored the full body yellow. Now what is remaining? The stomach part. Now I have taken your dark yellow here. I have taken dark yellow, and so for the stomach I have taken little lighter yellow. Okay, for the stomach part. Okay, so now the teddy bear is ready. Isn't it looking nice? Okay children, so do it neatly, do it nicely. See you in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Sai Ram. Thank you.